Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the ambient screensaver right here, so you never have to see that. So when you're just on the home screen here, go all the way to the right to settings, and I have it disabled so it won't even pop up. So we want to go to where it says apps. Select this, scroll on down to where it says see all apps, and you can completely disable it under this menu. So let's go to where it says show system apps. And you can see under disabled apps, I have it right here, Ambient Mode. It's disabled, it won't work. So let's go to Show System Apps. Scroll on down, and you should see it right here on the top. It should be System App. Just go to it, or the Ambient Mode, and then select it. So let's, for example, go to this one right here, Activity Stub. There should be an option to disable it. So I can go back to it here and go to Enable. I can re-enable it, and then I can go to disabled. So there's an option to disable it right here, and then you can uninstall the updates, you can clear the data, clear the cache, etc. And then it just turned off notifications right here. So once it's disabled, it says enabled. You don't have to worry about that popping up anymore. Like even if I literally go to it and I try to start it up under here, it won't work. I keep pressing this button and it doesn't do anything. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.